Boom! Yes. So welcome again to our series of videos as we continue our discussion of the remainder theorem. So in this video, just as I promised in the previous video, we will just go through some of the same examples that we utilized in the long division videos, but this time we will utilize them in the context of the remainder theorem. So let me start. So we go back to our friend. Remember, we will have used this as one. We had x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed minus 13x squared minus 14x plus 51. All right? And let us say, for example, All right, let me write it how we would normally get it in a question. They would say f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed minus 13x squared minus 14x plus 51. And they say now, find the remainder. Find the remainder when f of x is divided by x squared plus x minus 12. All right, so things start to get nice now. All right, so instead of just having a linear divisor as we would have had in the last video, we now have a quadratic divisor. But the dividend is a power of 4. So we could tell that the division wouldn't be too strenuous from an arithmetic perspective. A higher power divided by a lower power, remember, we expect something, all right? So in other words, remember in one of the first 2 or 3 videos, I would have said that if we divide in power 4 by power 2, we expect a power 2. And in the case where we have a remainder, we will just have a remainder as a constant. All right? If it is a constant, the remainder will be 0. So step 1 is the same, right? Find the root of, well, in this case, it will be the roots, right? Because if it is a quadratic divisor, then we have 2 roots. Find the roots, hold on. Find the roots of x squared plus x minus 12. All right? So, x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0, which is to say then that x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Note I just went straight to the answer, right? I didn't go through all the working that would take me from here to here. In an exam, however, if you need to, you do your working. If you're at a level where you could watch this and do this, no problem at all. So therefore, x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 3. So we have 2 roots. Now, we could substitute either one of these 2 roots and verify that we get the same remainder. So watch it. All right? Step 2 now. Step 2 would be to substitute the root into the dividend, into f of x. All right? All right, things are to get nice. So, we have 2 roots to try, and we're going to try both of them, to make everything absolutely clear. So, let me start with x minus 4. F of minus 4 is equal to, let me make sure I have the correct thing here. Right, f of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 to the power of 4 plus 2 by minus 4 cubed minus 13 by minus 4 squared minus 14 by minus 4, all right, plus 51. That's equal to 256, all right, plus 2 by minus 64 minus 13 by 16 minus 56 plus 51. Yeah? That is equal to 256 minus 128 minus 208. 6 3s are 18. 13, 16 by 10 is 160. 160 plus 48 is 208. All right, let me make sure we have enough battery power. Yes, we do. Plus 56 plus 51. That is equal to, let me see, 256 minus 128 is 128. Right? 128 by 2 is 256 minus 208 plus 107. Yeah? 128 minus 208 is minus 80 plus 107. 107 minus 80 is 27. All right? So when we substituted minus 4 into the dividend, we got 27 as a remainder. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other root, which is x equal minus 3. X equal plus 3, sorry. All right? So we're going to take some space down here because we already have this. And of course, you always have the option to rewind. So in the case where the root is x equal 3, we're doing the same thing, and we're saying that f of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 plus 2 by 3 cubed minus 13 by 3 squared minus 14 by 3 plus 51. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, right? Plus 2, 3 cubed is 27, minus 13 by 9, minus 14 by 3 is 42, plus 51. That is equal to 81 plus 54 minus 13 by 9 is 130 minus 13, 117, 9 3 is 67, minus 117, minus 42, plus 51. Alright? Let me see what's going on here now. So, minus 117 minus 42 is 42, and 17 is 59. Alright, so this is minus 159 here. I had to make sure the handwriting is proper. Alright? 81 and 54, 8 and 5 is 13, 135. 135 minus 159, plus 9. Alright, minus 42 plus 51. 135 minus 159 is minus 24. Let me see what the mistake is here now. 81 plus 54. 4 and 1, 5, 85 is 13. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 2 to the 3 cube is 27. 2 by 27. Minus 3 by 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Minus 14 by 3 plus 51. So 81 plus 54 is 135. 8 and 5 is 13. 4 and 1 is 5. 13 by 9 is 117. 117 plus 13 is 130. Minus 42 plus 51. Minus 42 plus 51 is 9. 51 minus 42 is 9. Big mistake there. So what I did this and then I had the 9 here. So this is supposed to be 51 here. Alright? And this would be minus 22 plus 51. 51 minus 22 is, guess how much? 27. 27? So it's minus 24, sorry, my mistake. Minus 24. Alright? 51 minus 24 is 27. Alright, so I'll leave in that segment in the video. I would have gone through a similar process here with some mistakes and had to do it over and all of that. But I'll leave it there just as an example to you that even people who have experienced anything could make mistakes too, and you have to be careful. Alright? So my battery power running out now, so I'll end the video here and we will continue with the same kind of thing in the next video following from this one.